I am going to try making a sunny side up egg in the microwave just to see what will happen. I have a feeling this is going to explode, so we'll cover it to make it not quite as messy as we make it. Let's try 1 minute. Yeah, I hear it popping like popcorn in there. It almost sounds like it's sizzling in a big way. Okay, I'm checking it at 40 seconds. See what has happened. Actually, that looks pretty good. I was not expecting it to cook so well. I think I'm going to go ahead and finish it out with another 20 seconds though and see what happens. All right, so the complete minute is done. And we've got more than a soft egg now. We've got more like a hard-boiled egg. It's completely cooked, but it looks very good. Well, it's done. It looks very delicious. Looks like it's a little stuck to the plate though. Bulk of it's coming up fine. And actually even this area is coming up, but wouldn't it be tasty to put butter on first and then there wouldn't be any of it sticking? Since I've already cooked it, I'm gonna just spray a little butter on there and put some salt and pepper. I think next time I'll put the butter on first, and I'm gonna be doing this again.